In this seemingly peaceful world, there are invisible threats. The technology we rely on can turn out to be a dangerous weapon in the wrong hands. My name is Franz. In the past, drones were just my hobby, but now they are my main weapon to protect the innocent. In this battle, speed and strategy are everything. One mistake, and it could be over. When technology becomes a threat, only a hero can fight back. He is the Drone Warrior. The struggle is not over. The sky is still guarded by our heroes.